Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm reviewing the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. It's the world's most powerful facial, so they say, deep pore cleansing, and it's 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. It's quite popular. This one is, I think it's 2 pounds. Yeah, it's 2 pounds, and it's a product of Death Valley, and it's 100% natural calcium bentonite green clay. And what you do is it's for facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, chilled clay facials, knee packs, handy for insect bites. You can pretty much use it for anything under the sun. It's like an Egyptian cure-all. So yeah, it's 100% natural calcium bentonite. My sister and I both use it. And what you do is you mix the clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar or water. I only use the water because I'm not a fan of the smell of the raw apple cider vinegar and the clay together. It doesn't really smell that great. You don't want to use a metal bowl or metal utensil. You want to stir the mixture well into a smooth paste and add more clay or liquid as needed for the texture that you want. So again, the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, deep pore cleansing, absolutely great product, cost effective. So once you put it on your face, you want to apply 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch to the face and other areas of your body, and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for regular skin, for normal skin. You'll feel a slight pulling and tightening sensation, and you'll actually feel your face pulsate a little bit. I haven't used this in about a week or so I don't particularly remember the pulsating sensation, but it says that you will feel a pulsating sensation. You want to remove the clay by washing with warm water. There's going to be a slight redness in the skin, and it's normal and it will disappear in about 30 minutes. With this large size, my sister and I actually bought this together. Well, no, actually, I bought it myself. And then I bought a tea steeper. It was a glass tea steeper, and I put about about 1/3 of that in there for her, and so that she could use it as well, because 2 pounds of clay mask is a lot. So now I'm going to go into the bathroom and I'm going to mix it up and show you what it looks like on my hand. So here's 1 tablespoon of the clay. This is what it looks like in the container. I'm using a little Pyrex bowl, and I'm going to fill that with the clay, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of water. I don't like my clay to be too thick, so I add a little bit extra. And then I've got a nice little handy dandy brush to mix it up with. This definitely needs a little more water, so I'll add a little bit more, probably about another tablespoon. So it's however you want the consistency to be. See, now it's a little too wet. But you can add clay. You can add clay to this. But I'll just show you here. This is kind of the texture you want it to be. Clay-like. Yeah. You put it on any area of your body that you want cleansed. This is kind of thin, but just I'm not having the best time with this right now, but this is what it looks like. So yeah, and I just dropped some. So this is the clay mask on the skin. You let it dry until it tightens. I think that's about 15 minutes or so. I would give this a solid 4 stars out of 5. It's a really great clay mask. Wonderful to use. I'm always using masks. I love masks. So do yourself a favor, check it out yourself, and yeah, thanks for watching.